Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to the Double Red Zero channel. Let's talk about stocks. Hey, so today, well, let's hold on a second. So today I made it's a green day again, 1 point something, very small percentage, but I missed out on a lot of orders, right? So let's kind of walk through it real quick. So the first thing was CEI. We're looking at CEI right now. Typical flag pattern. See this go up about, let's see, the bottom to top. It's about 40%. And it creates this flag. And I got in around 645, right? 645 at around 65 cents. So I put the order here, 65. So it was pretty high, right? It says 65 right here. So I think my stop loss was about 1%. So it's higher up on this flag because I was waiting it over here. I should have moved it down lower. But anyways, it didn't pop. Typically when this happens, it's supposed to go up higher, right? Maybe touch this VWAP for a 10-15% move. Didn't do that. So when it got to around, what was it right here? 655.14. It was just hovering here. I just got out for a tiny like 0.2%. Right? I could have made, if I caught this high, it's about 5%. But I stayed in here. It wasn't moving that fast, and you could tell the resistance was going. The volume was high, but it wasn't moving anywhere. So, and eventually dropped. So that was that. And then on my watch list was BIOC. And I jumped in this around 709. So let's see what happened. Right, 709 was here. You could tell again, went up, and then it was kind of creating a flag here. Right? And where's my price tag? I got it 1065. 1065. Oops, 1065. Not here. Oops, sorry. It went up, it went down, and then I saw this tiny flag here, and then 1065 was my stop right here, and then it went up, and I got out around 1090. So around here. Okay, so that was a small gain. Again, this didn't pop. This popped right here, right? Around 10%. But this wasn't a flag. This kind of like dropped out. It broke the flag pattern, and then it made a kind of a reversal, which was kind of weird. But there's no way you can play on that. This kind of dropped, right? So I tried to play it on this. Kind of went up. So that was okay. And then later on, around I was still watching this 714, and it looked like maybe it was going to do another flag, but I made the mistake when I put in the order. It was around 1090, so it was inside this thing, right? And I didn't want to be inside the flag. You always want to place your order kind of above it. So I canceled it right away for a tiny loss, like almost 1% actually. So I could have been up 2% today, but instead I'm up 1.4. Okay, and then the other thing I was watching, right, was it Pixie and yeah, it was Pixie. So the Pixie, I was watching it, waiting for it to reverse. Here, right around, no, not here, around here, not here. This is around 702. So I couldn't see. I saw it doing this. I was waiting for it to cross to make a reversal, right? Because I noticed it's going to pick a direction. This is kind of like a squeeze. You can think of this as a giant wedge, almost. It's trying to figure out which direction it wants to go. I was waiting for this, but I missed it, right? And when I didn't place an order here. I guess I could have, but didn't. And I missed this 10% run. And I could have placed an order here and then wait for it. I made 8%, but that didn't happen. So missed opportunity. And one thing is it's good. I'm being consistent, but the other thing, I'm missing opportunity. So this is the one time. I'm making a note, and if it keeps happening, then probably have a problem. But maybe one time's not. So that's what I'm thinking. We'll see what happens next week. Try to keep it green. Not a lot of trades. Those are good. We're gonna keep it up. All right, guys. Peace out.